Hello everyone, welcome back to the Silver tutorial series. I'm Sonal and I post dance videos on Instagram, especially silver dance videos. In the previous video, I showed you all how to edit and give your silhouette videos a warm tone, a black and white color and the purple tones. And in this video, I'll be showing two main editing styles, that is the warm sunset like tone and the very cool blue tones. These two color styles completely change the feeling of the videos. The sunset tones gives a warm dramatic vibe and the cool tones will give your videos a cool emotional effect. And I'll show you step by step how I edit using InShot and VN app. And remember, these are my settings which work for my lighting. Your lighting may be different, so you will have to adjust the settings depending on it. So welcome to part 3 of Silver tutorial series. Okay, so first I will be showing the sunset of warm tones. For that, first you have to go to InShot app, then go to video, choose the video you want to edit, then remove the watermark, then trim the unwanted parts, go back, go to filter. In filters you go to Luna filter, in that choose the dark filter, then go to adjust, increase the lightness a little bit, then go to warmth, increase it to the maximum, then go to shadow, decrease it. I'm keeping it at -22. Okay, that's it. Now I'm exporting the video in 1080p and 30 fps. Okay, then now take it to the VN app, go to VN, choose the video, so now you have the video. So you can edit it in two ways. First one, go to filter, go to adjust, go to temperature and increase it. See, now you go to yellow color, right? So you can increase it this way, then in saturation if you want increase or decrease, however you want. Okay, so you will get this kind of filter if you choose only the temperature. Okay, if you increase only the temperature. Then another method is, I am removing it. Okay, go to filter, then go to the Polaroid filter, in that choose P2. See, now you have this whole sunset like vibe going on here. So if you want, you can decrease the intensity or keep it to the maximum. I keep it to the max. Then in adjust, if you want, you can increase the temperature, so it will go to a more yellowish color. Okay, if you want that, you can keep it. I'm not doing any of it. I'm going to keep it as such, like this. Okay, so now you have the warm color. So this is how it will look. Now, okay, so that's it. Now you have the sunset like yellow effect. Now let us do the cool tones. For that, go to InShot, then the same go to InShot, then the same steps. You import the video, go to filter, choose the Luna filter, in that choose dark, then go to adjust, increase the lightness, then go to warmth and decrease it. Okay, decrease it, so you will get a bluish color in your background. Then you can go to shadow, decrease it. That's it. Now export the video. So after that, go to VN. I'll show it in the same thing. Okay, I'm adding the new video here, the one with the blue tones. Okay, so now we have the video. Then go to filter, go to adjust, go to temperature, decrease it. See, now you have the blue color. Okay, decrease it. If you want, you can go to vibrance and increase it. See, you can see the difference, right? If you decrease it, it will look like this. If you increase it, like this. Okay, if you want, you can increase it. Then I'm going to contrast and increasing the contrast a little. Suppose, see, if you increase it will look like this, decrease it will look like this. So I want it like this, so I'm keeping it this way. Okay, then see, this is how the video will look. So for the cool tones, it's that simple. Okay, now I'll show you. I will compare and show you how it looks. So this is the original video, this is after InShot, and this is after VN. See, it's very easy. It literally took like 9 minutes. See, 9 minutes to edit both the videos, to get the warm tones and cool tones together. It took only 9 minutes, so it's that easy. And some things you have to keep in mind while editing is that always make sure that the silhouette stays black. Okay, if you increase any adjustment beyond a limit, then your silhouette may wash out and your body lines won't be visible very clearly. So this is how I create the warm sunset like tones and cool blue tones in my silhouette videos using VN editor app and InShot. And it's not necessary to use both apps to edit your videos. For my lighting and my setup, I need both the apps to create that effect, but maybe for you only the VN editor app will be enough, or the InShot. And I also got several DMs telling me that they can't shoot in natural light because most of the people have classes or work in the morning, so it's inconvenient to depend on natural light. So I was thinking if you would like a tutorial on how to shoot silhouette videos indoors, like in a dark room using a lamp or even a torch. So if you think it might be useful, then please let me know. I'll be sharing it soon. And I hope this video was helpful for everyone. If you have any doubts or if you want to know the editing tutorial of certain videos, please let me know. I will try to share it soon. So that's it. Thank you for watching.